Stop now. Run! Stop immediately! Move! Move!
No! Oh.
Help me! Help me! Help me!
Oh no!
Hello, I've got a job for you. Okay, we'll get there immediately. Come on, let's go! What is this? It's not. Exactly. Let's go. Be careful. Ah, found it. Very good.
Okay.
There it is. Let's go home. Arrived. Wonderful. That's all right, thanks. What is going on? Oh my God! Sorry, I did not see it. It is very dangerous ahead. Come on, let's go!
Out!
I can't. Call everyone over to help us! Move! Help me! Help me! Ah, found it. Wonderful. Exactly. That's great. Aha! I need to wash the car. Very good. Wow, it looks good. This is my best car. Oh my God! Oh no! What should we do now? I will ask someone for help. Don't worry, I'm here. Keep going. You've done a great job. I'm going. We are always by your side. Let's go. Wonderful. I will fix it soon.
Draw.
I think you need help. We have to finish the job within today. Yes, no problem. Okay, done. Very good. Wow, it looks good. Wow, that's great. Let's go home. We have to finish the job within today. Stay away. It's dangerous here. I don't think so. What is this? What is going on? Help me! Help me! Something's wrong. We have to help him. Ouch! What is wrong with him?
Yarr.
It hurts. Please call an ambulance for me. I think you need help. Move! Move! Oh my God! I was wrong. I'm sorry. No. Come on, let's go. I am ready. Where am I?
Oh.
Wow, great!